G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. A couple of weeks ago I was at the Shanghai Pudong International Airport. I was transiting through Shanghai on my way to Riyadh from Brisbane. So I had a 9-hour stay over there. So before I got to Shanghai Airport, I was under the impression that there's no free Wi-Fi available at the Shanghai International Airport. But that wasn't the case because I did manage to get the free Wi-Fi, and this is how I did it. After turning on my laptop, I looked for the available networks in the area, and I found airport PVG free Wi-Fi. I decided to connect to that. Once it got connected, it opened up a page which had Chinese written on it, but in the bottom right hand corner there is an option of translating it to English. So I clicked on it and everything translated to English. And here I noticed that there is an option on the top right hand corner for Wi-Fi kiosk, which meant that I had to get a username and a passcode from a Wi-Fi kiosk. So the Wi-Fi kiosk is not really easy to find in the terminal. You have to ask the staff or the cleaners at the airport, and quite a few of them do speak English. When you do find the Wi-Fi kiosk, you have to use your passport to get the password and the username for free Wi-Fi. You may find that you may have to scan the passport quite a few times to get the account and the password for the free Wi-Fi. Sometimes it doesn't scan straight away. Also, sometimes the account and the password is not printed. It just appears on the screen. So you may need to use your phone camera to take the picture and use it on your laptop or your device which you're using to browse the internet. So that's how it's done.